them are missing. Let's find those missing letters. This is letter C. K, cat. After D, we have letter E. This is letter E. Elephant. After F, we have G. Girl. After H, we have I. After G, we have K. 1 minute, let me find K. Okay, here. After L, we have letter M, monkey. After N, we have letter O, orange. After P, we have letter Q. Q is for queen. R, S, T. After S, we have letter T. Tiger. After you have V. After V, we have W. X, Y, Z. Goodbye.